Hello, all the lovely people at Asylum Seeker Resource Centre and the lovely people that donated blankets through Emergency and Bushfire Kits to help Palestinian refugees here in Melbourne. I put it on social media on Friday morning that if anyone would like to buy blankets at cost through my business, they could, and I would drive them down here today. I thought maybe 30 or 40 might get sold and that would be amazing, but 241 got sold within 24 hours. So it was just an incredible response, so generous and so kind. So I've driven 100 of those blankets down today to the ASRC that I'm here now, helping them unload. And Con and the team are going to help get the other 141 blankets down from our business later in the week to make sure we get them out to all the Palestinian families as quickly as we can to help them stay nice and warm and give them this wonderful gift of generosity from all of you people that bought online. Just overwhelmed at your response. Thank you so much.